This is toy number 6, and it's Carrie B from McDonald's Happy Meal, and it comes in this nice purplish box, and everything is just recyclable. Out of the box, it's kind of like a journal in a way, and it has activities on it. You can put the pencil here if you like. When you open it, we could make Carrie B pretty cool. It comes with an activity. Here are some of her fave pictures. Nice, looks like she's in the cheerleader step squad. Okay, and then I love this mazes here. This is the Find a Megaphone. Cool, nice maze. And then this one here is friendship group. Gotta match them. And then dream chase. I love this ones too. Color with Carrie B. And then oh nice, comes with this pencil. And then spot the 7 differences over here. And then this is the dot to dot. Amazing. Looks like it's going to be a megaphone. And then you're a star, yay. And then Carrie B comic strip. We make our own comic here. I'm going to make a song. What song should I name? Yippee! And wins a trophy at the end. And then find 8 of this. We have to find 8 of those shoes. 1, 2, 3. Looks like there's 4, 5. Photo match. Match the photos. And then make your own song over here. And then this is the answers. Easy, nice, and cool. And yay! What time is it? Sticker time. I love stickers. And we could sticker match. We could do the sticker matches here. I like to use the stickers on like other stuff. Pretty cool. Just take everything apart and start doing it. Like that, and then let's see what came in here. Oh, green colored pencil, yay, green colored pencil. And then take those out, fold this like this, connect the top like that. And then same with this, fold it like that, connect it from the top, and like that. Okay, and then we could wear it like this. I'm gonna put this shoe here, and this one here. And let's see what this one looks like this. Oops. There. Oops. There. Beep 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 beep. Hello. I'm a singer. I'm in the squad. Yeah. And this is the other side. Same thing. It looks better when you put it on the index finger and the middle finger.